Demand solutions and the aerospace industry. Well, joining us today to speak about that, Murat Eskici, Production Planning and Stock Control Manager at Kale Aero. Murat, welcome.
Welcome, thank you.
Murat, as I understand it, Kale Aero is a Turkish company that is involved in manufacture of parts for aerospace players like Boeing and Airbus. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Let me just ask you, how is it that Kale Aero has been able to maintain the level of precision that is required in your manufacturing and fabrication units?
Yeah. First of all, Kale Aero has a lot of experiences on aerospace industry. With these experiences, we try to be proactive as much as we can for requirements. We create and follow a 5-year strategic plan to meet these requirements,
Mm-hmm. Kale Aero's process for the planning department that you manage was to create these monthly schedules in spreadsheets at one time, while daily orders were managed on the shop floor. Now, you made the decision to implement an advanced planning system to coordinate schedules. So walk us through that. Why was the time right to bring in that APS system?
Yes, and implementing APS system creates huge effect on our efficiencies. It was difficult to update the monthly plan after having differences between actual and production plan, Before APS, before demand solution, we had some constraints which were not considering. So, for example, tools and the capability of employees. We still, but after demand solution, we are able to plan by considering these constraints. So also, we were mainly planning the machines, which is starting of the production lines, but we can plan when the products will be assembly and ship and to the customer.
Mm-hmm. Well, now that you have implemented Demand Solutions APS solution, how are the planners and the shop floor workers working together?
We were scheduling production plan. They Excel sheets, and we were sending the production plan to shop floor via email. After demand solution, we are scheduling the production plan by APS, and we are transferring the scheduled data to shop floor by our MES system in real time.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's talk about the improvements. What improvements have you seen since you implemented the APS system from Demand Solutions?
Easier and much faster planning, I think, and efficient capacity utilization and usage.
Do you feel that the solution will help your company grow?
Yeah, for sure. It will increase our communication level on day-to-day discussion with our customer. Apart from communication, we will be shorten the standard lead times and increase efficiencies and better manage inventory. Having these will result in being more competitive and faster growth than expected.
It sounds like a fruitful relationship with Demand Solutions. I wish you the best going forward. Thank you for meeting with us.
Thank you very much.
That's Murat Eskici with Kale Aero, and speaking with us today about the company's relationship with Demand Solutions. Thank you for watching.